Hi, my name is Brandon and this is a 2020 Ram Rebel. We do a lot of off-roading in the Ram Rebel. We as in the family. And part of being safe and keeping your family safe is the proper installation of a children's car seat so that our loved ones can be safe when we perform those off-roading techniques. Again, my name is Brandon and I'm going to show you how to properly install a car seat in a 2020 Ram. Here we have two lower latch or anchor points and two upper anchor points in our latch system. I'll show you how to properly latch the car seat into these anchor points. So first we're going to take this back latch and we're going to attach it to the upper latch system in the truck. We're going to take this first latch here, we're going to slide it through the loop that's located directly behind where the car seat goes. So we're going to take it and we're going to slide it through here. And we're going to slide this latch all the way down to this middle loop that's located behind the middle seat. Simply slide the loop in to the latch there. And let it clip in. Next, we're going to attach the lower anchor to the lower anchor point. You'll simply push your button in here, slide into the anchor point, and when you hear the latch, you know that it's in there, and simply repeat on the other side with the other anchor and the other anchor point. After you get the latches secure in their proper locations, you're going to want to tighten the straps. So you'll just pull onto this one real tight and pull on this one over here as well to make sure that the car seat doesn't move more than an inch at any given time. And the final piece of installation, of course, is the child. Once you have everything properly installed and safely secured, then of course you can put your child in here and away you go. If you would like to check out any of our inventory or this particular Rebel, you can check us out under the Giant American flag in Fort Wayne, Indiana, or at any time you can visit us at glenbrookdodge.com. Thank you.